Maintaining your car is essential to ensure it runs smoothly and lasts longer. Here are 10 car maintenance tips. Regular oil changes are crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Monitor tire pressure and tread. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency and ensure better handling. Check tire pressure monthly and inspect the tread for wear and tear. Replace tires when the tread is worn down to avoid blowouts. Replace air filters. A clean air filter improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. Replace the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Monitor fluid levels. Regularly check the levels of essential fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Top them off as needed and change them according to your car's maintenance schedule. Inspect brakes. Regularly check the condition of your brakes. If you hear squeaking, grinding, or if the brake pedal feels soft, have them inspected immediately. Brake pads should be replaced regularly to ensure safety. Maintain battery health. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure a secure connection. Test your battery regularly and replace it every 3 to 5 years, depending on its condition and performance. Keep the engine cool. Ensure the cooling system is in good working order. Regularly check the coolant level and inspect the radiator, hoses, and water pump for leaks or damage. Flush the cooling system as recommended. Replace spark plugs. Worn or faulty spark plugs can cause engine misfires and reduce fuel efficiency. Replace them according to your car's maintenance schedule, usually every 30,000 to 100,000 miles. Check lights and signals. Regularly inspect all lights and signals, including headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and interior lights. Replace any burnt-out bulbs to ensure visibility and safety on the road. Regular professional inspections. Schedule regular inspections with a qualified mechanic to catch potential issues before they become major problems. A professional can perform a thorough checkup and ensure your car remains in optimal condition. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan of your vehicle, improves safety, and ensures a smoother driving experience.